If you're looking to set up a content calendar in teamwork.com and get your team organized, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a content calendar that will streamline your workflow and make collaboration a breeze. Stick around because I'll also share a way to get started with Teamwork for free, plus some insider tips on using it to your advantage. First things first, teamwork.com is an all-in-one platform designed for project management, and it's perfect for teams managing content creation. The content calendar is one of its best features because it helps you plan, schedule, and track all your projects in one place. To get started with your content calendar, the first thing you need to do is create a project specifically for content management. Once you have your content project set up, navigate to the timeline or calendar view, which is where your content calendar will live. The calendar view is where you can start adding tasks that correspond to your content production schedule. You can easily drag and drop tasks into the calendar on the correct dates, which is great for visual planning. Next, create tasks for each piece of content you need to produce. This could be blog posts, social media posts, videos, or any other type of content. You can assign these tasks to team members, set deadlines, and even add details like content briefs or guidelines. This is where teamwork really shines. You can set dependencies so tasks are automatically linked. For example, if your graphic designer needs to finish a visual before the content writer can finalize their post, Teamwork will make sure the task isn't marked as complete until the previous task is done. Now, to make your content calendar more efficient, use the recurring task feature. If you have weekly blog posts or monthly newsletters, you can set these tasks to recur at your preferred intervals. This will save you a ton of time when scheduling and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Teamwork also allows you to add milestones to your content calendar, which is perfect for major deadlines or key launch dates. You can color code your tasks and milestones to make the calendar visually organized so you can quickly tell what's coming up next. If you want to see all the upcoming tasks in one place, make use of the My Tasks feature. This shows you all of the tasks assigned to you across all projects, including your content calendar. It's an easy way to stay on top of everything without having to jump back and forth between different views. Teamwork's integration with Google Calendar also means that you can sync all your content calendar tasks directly to your calendar, so everything you need to do will be right there alongside your personal appointments. This integration helps you ensure your deadlines and reminders are never missed. One of the most powerful aspects of Teamwork is its reporting capabilities. By using the Reports feature, you can see the progress of your content calendar, which helps you keep track of your team's efficiency and identify any bottlenecks that might be slowing down your content production. Plus, it makes adjusting your strategy or workflow much easier. Teamwork also allows you to use templates for your content calendar. So if you have a standard workflow for content creation, you can save a lot of time by reusing templates for each new piece of content. This is especially helpful if you're working on recurring content campaigns, as it ensures consistency and saves time in the planning phase. Now that you know how to set up a content calendar in Teamwork, it's time to put it into practice. Remember, you can get started with Teamwork completely free using the link below, where we also offer exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the software. Take advantage of this extended free trial to explore Teamwork's full range of features without any risk. And that's it for today. With the steps I just showed you, you'll have your content calendar set up and running smoothly in no time. Make sure to check out the first link below to access your free trial and start organizing your content like a pro.